Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Pro Wolf Trader. This is 25 October, the last week, day of the week, Friday, and we made lots of profit throughout this week too. This week was profitable too. This was the ninth week of live streaming, and we made profits by the grace of Almighty. God protects us from the evil eye and keep us humble and keep the profits coming in. Everybody who watched the stream, live stream, made profits. Everybody who was in the premium group 1 and 2 made profits. Everybody who was in free telegram group made profits. So yeah, it was a profitable week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, profitable week, profitable days, and it's the last day too, so you're gonna make profits too. Yesterday it was USD flash manufacturing and services PMI, and before that unemployment claims, and we traded it. I think no, I wasn't. Yeah, we were over here. Yeah, we were over here on USD PMI because unemployment claims the market didn't move, but after the last PMI the market dropped down and we were live trading, and this signal was given on live stream. Even before that, premium guys, so it was obvious. And this is today morning I scalped. This was in today's Tokyo session. So anyways, there's lots of opportunity to make profits. You guys please like and subscribe the video, and I need my morning tea before I start what's moving the market on the last day of the trading day, the last week day of the week. Anyways, let's focus on our trade before I go on. And yeah, guys, there are 10 people watching, only 4 likes. Okay, I always say like the video so I can give the signal. If every day you guys come and give like 10 times, 10 people like it, okay, I'm gonna give the signal. Okay, let's move on quickly towards moving the market. But before I start it, let me go grab my morning tea. I'm gonna drink tea today. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, this is gold. This is 5 minutes gold. Okay, this is London session, and as you guys know, London session is always sideways, consolidating. But we gotta see what happened in the Asian session, and before we gotta see what happened, in between New York and Tokyo session. So this is where the New York session ended. Okay, New York session dropped down, and as soon as the London closed, it made a retracement drop down to. We took our profits over here. Okay, then we waited, and after it, as you can see, this was my sell area in the Tokyo, and this was given in group 1. As soon as the market opened, Sydney market, I got in a sell. So the majority of the people they were texting me on Telegram asking me what's the reason behind, uh, why am I selling gold. So if you are following my stream since last week and the week before that, this has been like 9 weeks of live streaming. I am consistently being saying that if you are trading, you need to know what's happening in the market. You need to look at the bigger picture. This is elite wave. Okay, elite wave pattern. Whatever happened over here has happened over here and has happened over here previously. So it's not something I made it up. I say this all the time so people know that this is a we are in a matrix and everything is a pattern. When gold dropped down, I said this is the third wave. People did listen. I did not predict. I followed past previous data, and within the past previous data, within this elite wave, I went in with my long buys. I still have buys running over here. I'm not only making profits for myself. I'm managing accounts. I'm making profits for them too, holding long trades. Okay. Besides this, there are guys in premium group 1 and 2. They're making thousands of dollars. Guys with the smaller accounts are making 300, 400, 500 euros per day, and there are guys who are larger accounts. They're making minimum 1,000, 2,000 to 7, 8, even 10,000 euro or dollars. So it's not something, that is a miracle. It's realistically it's happening. It's happening in real time. And if you guys, if you guys don't know what you are doing, it's better to, stay with the channel. Even if you don't want to watch my channel, go and watch somebody who's actually sharing knowledge. Not waste your time, your precious time that's not gonna come back on some stupid support. Mark, you cannot put this in your head. You cannot make money because of support and resistance and demand and supply. There are lots. If you think that people in Wall Street, those smart ass guys, they're using support and resistance, demand and supply to make money. They're using cup and handle. They're stupid. Okay, don't go in that scam. Just come out of that bullshit. Okay, so this is the elite wave. Okay, third after the completion of third wave, this is the fourth wave. Now a lot of people were messaging me or telegram, sir, explain to me. As I said, it will not it's not gonna drop like this. If this is the fourth wave, it's not gonna drop like this. And it's not even gonna drop like this, lower low, lower high, lower low, like it's gonna drop in a way that you won't expect it. It's made lower low, it made lower high. Okay, now I expecting a lower low, but look what's happening. It's like a small drop, and it's like it's gonna confuse, it's gonna, in short, in simple words, is gonna trap in the retail buyers, because retail, they don't have an idea. Look, and just as Fed is data depending, a lot of people, they just come and say, oh no, just tell me what to do, buy and sell. No, if I just tell you, don't tell you what's happening, you can never make profits. You don't have to open, buy and sell, you have to keep them running. So when you have the knowledge, wait a second. Yeah, so when you have that knowledge, knowledge is power, knowledge is everything. So if when you guys have that knowledge, you go not what the fuck? When you're gonna have that knowledge, then you're gonna, not only make profits, you're gonna be confident with your trades. You can open the trade and you can tell yourself, okay, I have this short running and it's gonna make me profit. Now, as you can see on the 1 hourly, this is the fourth wave, it's dropping down. So coming back to London session right now, a lot of people, they got in a sell over here. But I'm saying, since this is, what do you say, London session, and we have what do you say, Tokyo running right now. So wait for the Tokyo. Never, rush into a trade as soon as the London open. The reason is that the market is making London low or London high, and then as soon as the Tokyo closes, it picks up the direction. And it's London. London doesn't make large moves. So even if it's dropping down, as we'll have an opportunity. I've been selling only. When I sell only. When I buy only. Today, I'm gonna, focus on, since it's Friday, we will focus on buy and sell at the same time. We will scalp right now. And thank you for the love and support, guys. Thank you for the subs. 7 likes already. Thank you. Just 3 more likes, and I'm gonna give away the signal. Let's focus on what we can take out from the market today. As you can see, we have market session open. This is start London opened at 27:32, and Asian opened at around 27:35. I took a profit at over here. This I opened this personal trade on Sydney, and then I gave this on group 1. Now, since London is started, London is retesting Asian low. Now, if you guys who are already in a sell, it's okay, you can take your profit. I'm just waiting for the price to retest 27.24, and I am gonna do a buy over here, short buy. If it breaks, then we'll see. I still have my cells running from yesterday and the week before that. If you guys remember over here, this was the huge drop. I still have my cells running over here. I already took partial profits, but I open layers of it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna tell you how you guys gonna manage your trade. Signal is, just 10%, 90% is your trade. How to be profitable, how not to lose the money. First of all, if you have whatever account you have, never open one lot. Always open layers of. Let's just say you have $1,000 in your account, okay, and you open 0.10 lot size. No, always open layers of it. Let's just say you opened 0.3 lot size, okay, and you opened 5 and 6 trades. And what you do is, let's just say I bought around here and I have $1,000. I bought 0.03 lot size. I opened 7 trades, 8 trades, and I layered them. I call it layering. As soon as I have TP1, 2, 3, 4, my TP1, let's just say, is 31, 27, 31, TP2 33, TP3 35, TP4 39. And as soon as the TP1 hits, okay, what I will do is I will put all the remaining trades on break even. So that is, risk goes to 0%. So that is, all those trades are running at 0%. People don't do this. People put a stop loss and they let it be. As soon as it hit, majority of the time what happens is it hit TP1 and it comes back and hits your stop loss. No. Always put at break even once it hit TP1. So you guys have, trades running, and that is free money. Anyways, guys who are watching right now, I think you guys are safe. You can enter a buy at 27.27, and a TP area would be small scalp, because it will, at least it will try to test Asian high. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, immediately buy, because by the time I write down and give the signal, you're gonna be ready. So enter a buy right now at 27.27. Your TP one should be 31, 2 33, TP3 35, TP4 39, and as soon as it hits TP1, put all the other trades as I mentioned over here on break even. If you don't know what break even is basically you put your stop loss right above your entry, so it's like free trade running, baby. Then you put your risk at 0%. So this is why I say 0% is 90% profit guaranteed. What's the worst can happen? Hit your stop loss? No, not a stop loss, break even. You're not gonna lose any money. So Pro Wolf Trader, baby, let's make money together. It's the last day of the week, so I'm gonna make lots of profits today. So as you guys who are watching live stream, and those who are in offices, they will be provided free signal on free Telegram group, and the premium guys, they already get 2 to 5 signal, not just gold, but other stuff that includes oil, crypto, S&P 500, US 30, Forex pairs, natural gas. I started giving natural gas, silver. Group 2, as for now, I have been provided by oil trade, silver trade, gold trade, Forex pairs. Slowly, I'm gonna start S&P 500, US 30. Group 1 already been provided with all of those trades. As I said, I'm buying at 27.27. The reason behind the buy is that we are in a sideways range. It's London session, so we don't have to worry. There are not going to be any major breakout. And what's moving the market? We had IMF meeting. We have BRICS. Besides this, let me talk about the sentiment. Okay, trade don't move up and down by itself. They move based on what the data was. Yesterday, the data that came on unemployment claims were lower. That meant that there were quite few people who fight for unemployment claims. That means the American economy is really strong, it's doing great. The labor market is really strong. That means that the US dollar is doing great. And then again, the manufacturing and services PMI came in higher, which boosted again that the US economy is doing great. So what does that mean? That means that the dollar is strong. And if the dollar is strong, why the euro USD pumping? That's a whole another story, because Currently, right now, there are more forces that flash PMI data came in yesterday too. So ECB is rate cut this and that. So those things are also you know having an effect on Euro USD. But on the other hand, if you look at GBP JPY yen, when the dollar goes up, then the dollar rallies, yen rallies with it. So you all the GBP pairs you can see the yen basically falling down. Anyways, so long story short, you gotta give us that trade. I already said buy at 27.27. It's a short scalp, okay? Just till what do you say? A stop loss put around 27.24. Tight stop loss. If it is stop loss, it's okay. We're gonna enter another buy. But as for now, you guys can enter a buy right now. Short scalp. This is a scalp. Keep that in your head, okay? Mhm. This is a tight. What do you say? Let me 33, 35. Okay. Okay, so here is the signal. I give it on the Telegram group. One daily signal given, and oh, sorry, Sabai, 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 bye. I accidentally typed. So here is the signal. It's a small scalp. What the fuck? Typo error is a buy. It's a buy. So yeah. Okay, guys. If you're new to the stream, like and subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Hey, what's up? X Zika. Hey, what's up? How are you? Guys, talk about yourself. Where are you guys from? Which country you guys from? Since when you guys trading? What is your experience? What do you guys normally trade? Gold, silver, oil, Forex, USD, JPY, Euro USD. What do you guys trade? Kindly announce. I already posted it. Watch the stream. It's over here. I posted it. Just read carefully. It's on in front of you. No need to worry. I no need to announce it. I already said that buy areas 27.27. If you cannot see it, just hear it. Nice. It's why screen is blur. Switch your go. I think your net is weak. You have to what do you say? Watch it at 1080. Maybe your internet connectivity is really low, and it's giving you really small frames. Go and switch it to 1080. As- And again, I'm saying this is a buy scalp. I'm sell on the long run, but I know this is a London session, so I took the risk of a small buy. I'm on my sales are already running. So if it is stop losses, okay, because it's gonna go up again, we're gonna buy again. What it does, man, London session. I bought stocks and ETFs since 2019. I started trading CDF and I'm from Norway. Nice, welcome to this channel. I trade net gas, Brent oil. Nice. Just like you short, I'm a long, I'm a bull. I buy on the dips. I like to short too, but the duration of bear market is really small. So unfortunately, mostly since after COVID, you guys have observed that the market is just pumping the stock market. So usually I was a seller too, only sell, but I said that it's better to make money than be a buyer and a seller, be a trader, make money wherever there is a possibility of making money. But yeah, 2 days ago, uh, what do you say? We were trading in the what do you say in our Discord channel, and I was testing natural gas. While one of the guys in the premium group too, he had some tip. He does. His name is Michael. You guys probably know him. Sometimes active. He tipped off. He knows about natural gas. I mostly trade oil, gold, silver, platinum, and forex pairs, and S&P 500, US 30, stocks, Nikkei, Japanese stock exchange, and a bunch of. So gas is the only thing I stayed away. He had a tip because he has some business on natural gas or whatsoever. So he said, let's buy it. So he bought it off. He bought 10 lots. He made around 10k, 10,000 euro. I said okay because I said okay, I don't know anything on natural gas. Buy it. I bought it, 5 lot. I made around 6 7k. So the easy money. But right now, if you guys look at the natural gas, it's still pumping. We closed it because it was what do you say? Over here, it made a red wick. If you guys can go, uh-huh. We closed on the drop over here. So I say, oh fuck. So it's before that, it's dropping. So we closed it. If he would have let it done, he would have made around 25 to 30,000 euros, and I would have made like 15 to 16. Easy money. It's just pumping because the demand is increasing. There's hurricane, this and that. There was supply inventories. Anyways, in short, this is all the stuff that's happening in the premium group is basically there are guys over there, they're experienced, they have lots of knowledge, so it's nice to hang around with a place where educated people. It's crazy, it's just genuine money we make it every day. There are guys in Europe who are making 200, 300, 400 euros daily profit on scalps on gold. So yeah, the stock CFT since 2009. I've been trading since 2017. Yeah. Join the free Telegram group and stay updated with the whatsoever financial news or whatever I cover. Oil, I've been buying oil because of the 1st October. I had some buys running. It was my birthday that day, and I was having some party barbecue. And at that time, when Iran launched supersonic missiles at Tel Aviv, oil just pumped up, and I made serious money. So as the other guys. That trade was based on pure geopolitical. We didn't know what was about to happen, but we knew something was about to happen. We always open oil trades on Thursday, Friday, and oil is right now making a small retracement. Uh, I am from Spain, actually trying to learn trading. I recently started. Wait, bro, first of all, Stay away from all those fucking trading gurus that try to sell their market structure, support and resistance, demand and supply, ICT and SMC bullshit. Stay away. Okay, there's a website called babypips.com. Go on that website, read it all, and once you read it, don't think you'll know trading. Then still you have to read more, read more, read more, educate yourself. Okay, it's gonna take 1 to 2 years for you to understand what's actually happening. But if you want to increase the pace of your learning, you can join the Pro Wolf Trader batch third, which is starting from 1st November. First batch was successful by the grace of Almighty. Second batch 2 is 80% over, finished. Just 3-4 guys are left. And the third batch also is 20 seats, 11 are already booked, 9 spots are left. Last date of registration is 31st October. Join it if you want to, because money is I'm just charging what is my time. I'm not charging the knowledge. I'm not selling anything, but it's genuine. Time you cannot get back, money you will. And already the guys who are in the group, they made thousands of dollars, man. I'm not teaching some bullshit SMC ICT. I'm teaching institutional knowledge. The knowledge you get on the trading floor with years of experience. I grinded my ass off, man. And I said to everybody in the batch that if after taking this course you guys cannot even make money, I'll refund 100%. And by the grace of Almighty, not even 1% I reclaimed. Because everybody who took it in the batch 1, batch 2, they know, they can finally see and understand what the fuck is happening. Let me see. Yeah, well, it's running right. So yeah, and the third batch, and each batch I'm increasing the course. I already gave Bilal. I already gave the signal before that. You can see my daily target. When I come is like I get 30 likes. Stream goes fine. Nothing else, man. Nothing else. And I think sorry, I'm really messaged it. I think since I only started trading in 2020, there has been a lot of good times for shorting, but I think like you say, bull market duration is 4 year, actually 4 to 5 years, and bear market duration is 2 to 3 years. You are still in the bull market. Sadly, you remember the COVID era, the oil when it dropped down to minus 60, made tons of money. Bro, I already gave the free signal. Bilal, watch it, is in front of your screen. Remember that COVID era when it was dropping down because of the panic and everything? China shut down. And when China shut down, the global demand for oil, it just vanished. And we made lots of money because at that time the majority of the brokers, they removed, if I don't know if you were remember or not, but at that time the brokers we were using, they what they did was they removed the sell option from their terminals or disabled it. You could only buy it, and some of the guys were lucky enough to sell it. There were some times, for like 1 minute, 2 minute, if there was a glitch, you can sell it. We managed to open some cells and we made lots of money. But when it dropped down, like way dropped down to hell, we bought it and we kept those. Those were the buys. Short, unfortunately, I like bear market because it's like falling knife, but the drop is so massive. It's mostly like if you don't have any sell orders running, you know, you guys, cannot grab it. But this is why you have sell order limits running. Whoa, crazy gas is one of the most volatile things I have seen. 5 to 10 moves in one day is not even there. Yeah, the thing is that that guy basically he has some gas business. He's a nice guy, nice friend. So he makes he have access to information way before. He's well educated and well knowledgeable in gas. So he knew what was happening before. It's like getting the knowledge way before anybody else. So based on his knowledge, for me that was free money. I make that much money almost every day. More than that, alhamdulillah, I have multiple accounts. Nobody shares how much money they make, but at least I'm saying, showing a little bit. Because I made that money based on this information. Gas is the only thing that stayed away. The reason was I never understood it, the demand and the reason behind the demand and supply, how it works, where it supplies. Oil is manageable. Mostly the war, geopolitical tension news is basically driven. If the impact on it of geopolitical tension is seen on oil more than gold. If you remember the 1st October missile attack on Tel Aviv, Israel, uh, gold did not do react, silver did not react, but crude oil and Brent they just pumped. They pumped massively. Even right now, Euro USD is pumping. We this week we have BRICS meeting and IMF meeting. So it was really important to keep an eye. There was no high impact news this week except what do you say, oil inventories report, and on Thursday Euro flash PMI, USD manufacturing and services flash PMI, and unemployment claims. So before we were well ahead, prepared for what was happening. Last week we were looking for a next week. Whenever we trade, we prepare for a week ahead. And I was saying to guys that listen, next week the gold is gonna drop, and almost a lot of people, like usually, they gave up. They gave up on the that is gonna drop. But I was saying to them, listen, market doesn't move on its own. It moves on a certain way, certain direction. Even this was like when gold dropped down over here and everybody lost. So I said, listen, we have a structure, follow it, follow a trading plan, don't gamble, follow. And this we bought around here. I am managing a account. On that account, I cannot say this is huge money, huge profit. Even my trunks are running from here. And not just this, the guys who watch my stream, I have my buys is still running from 24.90 and 24.75. This is on one account. I have multiple accounts. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. Need to grab a glass of water. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So where was I? Yeah, as I was saying that, yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, the price of gold basically was determined by it, how we react, how the retailers are reacting in the war on the ongoing situation. Uh, Crazy gas. You can make huge amount of money on gas. There are lots of potential. People don't realize gas is highly volatile. And now people are asking for analysis. First of all, I used to post analysis, but back then the channel was not didn't that much, and people don't even used to, uh, you know, watch my analysis. So I stopped posting it, and I said, okay, I'm gonna do the analysis on live stream. How was the signal result? Signal result. You are reading, how was it? There are guys over here in the premium group one that had been following me for like 3 4 months. I do this every day. Here the result, sell result, premium sale. Guys in the premium group want to them make lots of money. Here's the result. This was on live stream. You can go and check. Not some made up stuff. Here's the result. More. You want more result? Here is it. Here is it. Here is the. This do one was like didn't went well, but you know cannot all the time make money. One two times it happens, but we recovered. This is the sell over here. We made money. This is the most epic one was this one. The the one which we grabbed off. The it was 2 weeks ago when CPI and unemployment they both released at the same time. And normally people it is just dumped and pumped. It was really look at this. All the guys. This was even shared. This was not just premium. This was even shared. This was re-entry for premium guys. And over here too. This was I think yeah it hit TP1 and then once it hit TP1. So yeah this was the buy. Yeah, this was the buy I was talking about. The one that made huge money. And before that too several levels. This is not the first time. If I go in to the detail, I bought over here, I bought over here, and bought over here again. So we always buy, and there the results are on my live. You wanna see? Go see my live streams. I have lots of live. Go watch any of my live videos. You will have intraday, scalp profits. I say weekly, everything. This was the FOMC meeting minutes. This was in October, the first week of October. I remember exactly. We made lots of money. On the top left, you have seasons. I don't have this. Do you remember how to put it here? If not, it's okay. I will Google it. I mean, top right seasons. Yeah, yeah. Is this is a free tool. You can search it up. Okay. It's called Market Seasons. It's MKT Seasons. Okay. You just go there and select according to your time zone. Okay. And put in all the details. It will adjust automatically, and then this is really necessary. A lot of people they don't do this. You have to know what market session is open. So you're trading. So anyways, these are all the results. And the guys in the premium they already know the results. I don't even mostly new guys ask them, and sometimes I get tired, of explain showing them, but it's okay. I know people want to see. There were a lot of people they were still asking me, sir, why you have stopped posting progress of group one and two? I'm tired. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. I'm making money, guys are making money, and I'm happy. Guys who, post unnecessary, those who know me, who trust me, are with me. Those who don't, they are not with me. And it's okay. It's okay. I cannot help anybody. God help those who help themselves. There is a famous quote. God help those who help themselves. Nothing is free in the world, yeah, but I am actually doing as much possible for the guys who are, losing their money. One really free signal, grab it, take your money, and get out of the market. That's how it is. That's how it's always been. And that's the only way to, be in a profitable in a market like this in times like this. So, analysis, you want analysis, what your analysis on gold in fourth quarter? But listen, who am I? I'm a trader, right? I'm an analyst, right? I've been trading for 7 years, right? But we all have our own analysis. But we all look upon what the global benchmark is saying. Like what is Goldman Sachs saying, JP Morgan saying. I mean, you have to follow them, right? Because those are the big guys who are in millions and billions of dollars. They are in the big league. Those guys say something, you have to, look carefully and follow them. Citadel, all these companies. And Goldman Sachs said in the second quarter that gold is gonna hit 2,700. JP Morgan said it's gonna hit 3,000 at the end of this year till December. And right now, the way the market is moving, I think the factor towards hitting that high are driven by more than geopolitical. If you guys remember, last year gold was 1,800. Okay, what happened that from 1,800 within 1 year we are sitting at 2,700. I have never seen $800 up in my entire life. The max it went was like hit from 1,800 to 2,000, $200. What happened that it came up so fast? You have to understand the monetary policy, the fiscal policy, the interest. They were hiking interest rate. The more they were hiking the interest rate, the more impact it had on rate cut. As you can see, gold is currently going down. It's alright if it is stop loss. We're gonna buy again from here. This is a scalp. We're already selling, so it's okay. A little money, given back to the market. Anyway, let's focus on what's moving the market. So that back then, this was, let me show you. They hiked 75 base point. Okay. So what that result was that whenever they hike, you then expect a rate cut. If you guys remember this area, this was the range, $100 range. I was trading over here. This was a beautiful range. This was the rate hike. No, this was not. It was somewhere around here. Yep, around here. And as soon as the rate hike, it was clear that rate cut is coming. And that rate cut was not some normal cut. We were expecting 150 base rate cut total. And what got delivered around 50 base rate cut and 25 now. They are saying that they don't even need a rate cut. They didn't even need rate cut at the first place. And now they're being really strong about it. The reason was clear. When you will rate cut, then what will happen is the rate hike is gonna be followed by a rate hike. You have to understand how economics works. By the way, right now you're just seeing a possible pullback. The stop loss was tight for a reason. If it is stop loss, it's okay. We make money together, we also lose money together, and then we recover the money together too. I think it will hit stop loss, but not worries, no worries. We are still within the range. We'll enter another buy from here. This is why I put such, what do you say, tight stop loss. Whatever the market is doing, let it do. And by the way, everything is transparent. I don't hide anything. If we make profit, we make it live. If it is stop loss, it's okay. We made more money on live stream than we hit stop loss. So that's what it's all about. Stop loss 27, 24. Looks like we have to buy from 27, 24. This is a nice area to buy. You can buy if you don't have any. You know what? I'm gonna buy. Let's buy again. Let's buy. This is a nice buy area. Even if it is stop loss is okay because we got another. I say na, we have a nice opportunity. Buy from here again. And you can, if you want, you can move your stop loss to 19. I don't know. It's all right for me. 20 or 24 because this is the London session and how much time left for Tokyo? As soon as the Tokyo closes, it's gonna either gonna break. It's not going. Actually, this is hardly breaks in London session. Never breaks. London session is always respecting a sideways range. Anyway, so this is how the market is basically moving. Being honest and live streaming is a good way of building trust. I'm honest, man. I don't need to hide. Everybody loses money. If somebody says that they don't lose money, the only difference is that how you manage it. As soon as the trade comes profitable, we after hitting TB1, we move all our trades to break even. I just like to, this was a small, this was two trades only, small, because I still have my cells running. If you notice over here, I took this profit this morning, and yeah, so I still have cells running over here. This buy was just, because market when it moves, it moves in a sideways range, and London session never breaks. London session always does a what do you say sideways range, It almost hit the stop loss, but it didn't hit. So, thank God. This is the second time I got this much lucky, but there is no such thing as like you have to manage it. This one I'm putting the stop loss at 20. This thing will go up as if nothing happened. Anyway, so let's just not lose our focus. So on what I was saying, that if you look, what are the factors, okay, that basically are contributing towards the pump of gold. Geopolitical session is last year October gold pumped, yes, because of 7 October attack. But right after that, we have been seeing that the China has been buying gold. Why? Because instability. China was buying gold like fuck. China is the biggest consumer of gold, and after China is India. And right now in India there is Diwali season, and even right now the gold is being ditched by China. You have to read the financial statement, balance sheet, monetary policy of every bank. Right now, China specifically mentioned that they are ditching gold. Okay, they are ditching gold. They are not buying gold in large chunks. This is the main reason you see such a decline. Gold was part of Central Bank of China reserve, reserve currency and whatsoever they were doing. But after the second quarter, they stopped buying gold. The main reason they mentioned in their report was that uh, gold is too being really. This was not my remarks. Thanks for the stream. I wish you luck, and I found your stream fun and informative. You too have a nice weekend. Go to work. Have a nice day. Join the Telegram group and stay in touch. Was nice meeting you guys too. And the central bank, what it did was they said, but gold is too expensive. They said 1 ounce of gold is too expensive. They cannot keep up buying. It's not healthy for them. If they keep buying on this pace, it's gonna hurt them, and this is why they start ditching. And in there, if you guys were keeping eye on BRICS, in BRICS they clearly mentioned that they're introducing the BRICS currency and they're gonna rely on it. And based on it, British currency, because they're making a reserve currency. Dollar is, if you go and read the Putin clearly mentioned that America is using dollar as a weapon, as a, it's weaponizing it. So this is why they are looking, because there are lots of sanctions on China, lots of sanctions on Russia. lots of sanctions on Iran, you know, and a bunch of Africa. Africa is world's richest country in terms of natural resources, and the France and all the European countries they're ripping it off. So yeah, those countries will stand up. They will rebel, and once they do that, I think it hit a stop loss. No, it didn't. Stop loss is 24. I think anytime it will hit stop loss, but it's okay. We got an entry. So yeah, that's the whole thing. The stop loss. We will get up. This is our buy re-entry. Buy re-entry at 27.24, and stop loss. I think we should wait because the market is dropping like hell. Let me put this over here. Market is dropping like hell. I mean, this is the fourth notorious wave that I was talking. If it breaks this zone, then it's nice. We will go in a sell. Normally, London doesn't break like this, but if it does, it's really good. Yep, it went bad. But I think I'm going for a buy re-entry over here. Exactly. Enter a buy, guys. You listening? Please buy. Enter a buy here again. Stop loss. I don't know. 20, 18 or 20 or whatsoever, man. Just do it immediately before it comes up. Uh, let's do this. It looks tough right now, but let's do this. This is the sideway range, of course. 24 stop loss is 20. I hope it doesn't hit my damn stop loss. Ah, that's okay. Stop loss should be 18, 20. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, this is fine. Everything is alright. Holy Lord is dropping like fuck. It's like agreeing on something and going against it. People are messaging, sir, why are you selling? Why are you buying when it's dropping? You are on a sell. Yes, we have to. We have to buy. This is London, baby. London session. I'm gonna enlarge it for those who cannot see. This is London session, right? So you buy the London dip. You buy it. Oh my god, it's dropping. Oh my god. Nah, just pullbacks. Just scaring you guys. I'm gonna laugh a lot if it fucking breaks down. Because London never breaks down. It's okay. We make some money, we lose some money, and then we make some money again. But to be honest, I'm really happy. Holy shit, this is the fourth wave. Let it drop. Right now, silver is dropping. Nice. Silver on 4 hourly is dropping, gold is dropping. I didn't expect gold to drop like this. I expect gold to make a sideways range and then drop in the New York session. Because London session is always sideways range. Always sideways range. Anyways, let me go do the analysis. Got a work to Yeah, as I was saying that I'm trying to basically we tried to grab this small buy the scalp over here, but we couldn't because the market hit what you say retested this zone, but now it's going up. It was just close. We should have increased our stop loss, but I say follow your plan. Okay, always follow your plan. Never chase your loss, always follow your trading plan. Anyways, we are gonna get the profit as soon as we hit profit. We will once our TP123 hit, you can readjust the what you say. If you want, you can even take your TP around 28 or something. But what I'm trying to say is that since this is London session and it's gonna go up, sideways range, expect it at least to test 27.35. My sales are already running. These ones I took profit on these, but those other sales are running. So I'm basically my buys are also running and my sells are also running. I'm hedging or whatever you call it. I'm just right now trying to milk it because it will make a correction side. Keep on driving like this. It's like this is it's gonna keep on sideways range till New York opens. So this is why. That's the reason. Otherwise, I'm still. If you on the long term, I'm is dropping down, so I have sell running from here. Over here, I will buy again, long hold them, but till it goes to 3,000. But as for now, I'm just scalping this sideways range. Take the market as you take what the market gives you. You don't fight the market. That's the thing. Market gives you sideways range. You take the sideways range. Anyways, guys, carry on watching the stream while I'm working. Okay, if you guys have any question, you can ask me. I think my work here is done. My intraday. I will upload if I get 20, 20 likes. I might upload a weekly analysis video today. But the condition is I get 20 likes. Let's see. I see. Somebody said adjust your TV. Okay. Yeah. Ah, it's okay. What I'm seeing today is a really strong sell pressure, man. I must say there's a strong sell pressure today. I might because my cells are still running now. So if you guys were holding on to your cells since yesterday, keep them open. Don't close in on this weekend. Let them run. Because next week, because right now the monthly candle is closing. You guys look at this. This is the monthly candle, okay? Monthly candle is melting, doing a pullback. Just a week left. So this is why you see such kind of moves by the market. You have to be smart. You have to see the future and then make your. But anyways, short term we are scalping. Short term it is it is in a sideways range. This is the sideways range. This entire whatever you call it, this is the sideways range. and it's when gonna be easy. Anyways, I'm going. I have to go pray. It's Friday. While you guys, the stream is on. Okay. I see you guys in 15-20 minutes. In the meanwhile, you enjoy them profits.